We walked along the river. I have 4 brothers. Can you carry this bag? I met her once before. I'm reading a good book. I can't hear you. Please stop talking. I can't live without coffee. Wait a second, please. I'll call you later. I miss my family. That's a great idea. That's enough for today. Wash your face. Let's eat together. We watch TV every night. My school is far away. Is this story real? It is almost 5 o'clock. Let me help you. The picture is above the sofa. The girl is very smart. I sometimes work late. We climbed the mountain. Be careful not to cut yourself. She is still young. Can we talk now? See you soon. I made a shopping list. This is my favorite song. Thank you for being honest. I have to leave now. My family lives in Cairo.